I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Izzy's Cookie Jar. Izzy's Cookie Jar is known for their freshly baked homemade cookie bites. In which as of the moment, they are offering 3 flavors of their cookies. The first one is their classic plain oatmeal cookie. Then they also have their chocolate chip cookie, where it has a dark chocolate chunks and a milk chocolate chips in it. And the last one, which I really find interesting, kay dili kayo common, it would be the Mango Bits Cookie. You can have a dozen of this choco chip oatmeal cookie bites for 150 pesos, and this Mango Bits Cookie Bites for 150 pesos also. This plain oatmeal cookie is at 120 pesos. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts of Izzy's Cookie Jar. And for that, mangaon na gyudayon ta. Na-excited ko actually. So, chocolate chip, let me kay siya, a combination of the dark and the milk chocolate. Perfect sad siya, and dili kayo siya tamis. And now, let's go to the Mango Bits Cookie. So, kani ako na-excite kay actually dili kay common ang cookie nga na ay mango, no? So, actually, nakuha na ang perfect siya nga combination. See? A chocolate chip cookie, kuyuga na to sa Mango Bits Cookie. Perfect chocolatey and mango. But then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!